Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening photos and going straight to recently deleted. Recover immediately if items are present because the timer counts down. Once done, make sure iCloud Photos is on so future deletions sync safely. If it is off, you will need a manual backup. Connect the iPhone to power and Wi-Fi, then enable iCloud Backup in Settings. If you prefer a local copy, plug into Finder or iTunes and create a fresh encrypted local backup before proceeding with deeper recovery steps. If recently deleted failed, you move to Backups. Restore your device from an iCloud backup that predates the deletion. Once you initiate Erase and Restore, follow prompts and choose the correct backup. This replaces current data state. Alternatively, restore an encrypted Finder or iTunes backup to get more complete data back, including passwords. If no backup exists, consider a trusted recovery tool, but make sure you export recovered photos off the phone right away. Otherwise, they risk being lost again during sync. You finish by confirming recovered photos appear both on the device and at iCloud. So you know the restore succeeded. Make sure you use the same Apple ID and that the backup date is prior to deletion. Mismatched accounts or insufficient storage often cause failures. If items still don't show, try toggling iCloud Photos off and on, then wait for a full resync. If that fails, repeat a restore using a different backup or consult Apple support with your backup logs and device details.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.